अचानक अल्लाह का पैर फिसला, करीब था कि अल्लाह गिर जाए, करीब था कि अल्लाह गिर जाए, मैंने हाथ पकड़कर उनको खींच लिया, उस दिन से नाम पड़ गया अब्दुल कादिर दस्तगीर.
So this clip we played, and we'll play it one more time shortly after I analyze the clip. This is a public speaker, and this is the danger of people speaking without knowledge. This public speaker from South Asia, he states 3 kufr statements within a few seconds. Number 1, he says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a foot, meaning a limb, a foot. Number 2, he states that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala slipped. And number 3, he states that a Shaykh Abdul Qadir Lilani radiallahu anhu saved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from slipping, and then from that time his name became Dastagir, Ghaus-e Azam Dastagir. These are 3 kufr statements within a short clip, and this is clear misguidance. This is the type of misguidance that we should warn the public that they should not invite such people to lecture, and those who fall into over veneration and ghulub and practices which are kufr.